And guess what, guys? This is the motorcycle meetup for Snowcat. I'll give you guys a little tour because there's a lot of people that showed up here, and I mean a lot of people. And there's Stan the Motorman. So as you guys can see, there is a ton of people here, man. Look at that. It is a beautiful. So as you guys can tell, Snowcat showed up. And yeah, well, everybody's circling around them. So that's kind of cool. There we are. We're actually getting ready to roll out. And so we're out. We're chatted with Snowcat right there and Jesse right there. And sorry guys, I wasn't recording, but you know, it's a little bit disrespectful, and plus there's a lot of people to talk to right now. So as you guys know, this is my very first bike meetup, especially of this caliber. There are 80 bikes out here, guys. 80 bikes, and yeah, it's a ton of fun. So yep, Mrs. K can't be here because she's at work, sadly.
Okay, wish you could be here today. There's 80 bikes here. Yours could have been another one, but we'll do another meet soon.
Mrs. K, I heard you couldn't make it out. We're going to be riding with your husband, though. That's my old bike.
I know it is.
But we're all going to have a lot of fun, enjoy it, and everybody knows to be safe, so that's awesome. Darren?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you, Darren. Nice to meet you. Grace? Nice to meet you, Grace. I like that camera. It's a good camera.
It's an old one.
There's another motor blogger, Canadian Moto Gal.
Yeah.
Awesome. She actually used that. Now she just switched over to the GoPro. Have fun. Be safe. As you guys can see, he's riding two up with Jessica. I'm gonna stay back too. We'll catch you there. There we go, boys and girls. As you guys can see, all the way down. There we go. Boys and girls, this was a beautiful ride. Now we are gonna sit back, hopefully get some coffee, because oh boy, I need my coffee, that's for sure. So you lost the phone? Yeah. That's why I was looking like, what did you lose? What happened? Because you didn't crash, that's for sure. Holy Moses. Did you find it? Oh, like I was wondering what happened to you. I'm like, and then I see him, he's all okay, facing the wrong way. I'm like, what the hell just happened? You know what? That can be replaced. Oh, I did. Oh, Jesus. Oh, all right. You know, this was the first time that I actually took the highway.
Really? Wow, good
That was so much fun though. I thought the guy crashed. There was the one guy at the end. We just see him on the side of the road, facing the wrong way. No, he actually lost his phone. The phone just went like flying and smashed to pieces. Oh, it was fun as heck. Now let's just hope nobody screws up on the way back.
I'm not used to riding it.
That's why I like to stay at the back. If I'm staying at the back, you know, it's all good. Alright, time for coffee. You know there's a Tesla dealership in Vancouver, right?
We have one in Calgary now.
Okay, because I passed by it yesterday.
No, there's one in Calgary now. It's inside of a mall.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, and then underground parking. They have a whole rope cross section for all their parking, and they have all the charges and shit. Yeah, it's crazy what they're doing.
When are you coming back?
Hopefully in a month.
Hopefully in a month?
Yeah. Yeah, so I'm going to play with my bike now. So I'll be here for a month with my bike for a month.
My dinner invitation still stands.
Yeah, no, we couldn't make it this time. Because
Oh,
I
I.
so many plans with her family, but next time I'm here, I'm not here for fucking like 11 days. I'm here for a month, so we'll be able to.
Oh, you're gonna be here for a month?
Yeah, we'll be able to bang.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna head back because hopefully she's gonna be getting off work soon. So.
We're going for dinner, so we're going to be out of here right now too.
Well, yeah, because it's.
Easter Sunday, so I'm going to get drunk with her.
As long as there's beers in the fridge, he's okay, right? All right, man. It was awesome meeting you. Thanks again. Thank you. See you guys later. I gotta head back. I still got things to do. Take it easy. I'll see you next time. You stole me a ride. So boys and girls, that was Snowcat. And now I gotta head back. 'Cause I still got a ton of stuff to do today. But I'll leave you guys with this site. Look at that. Thank you very much for watching, guys. We love you. Till next time, goodbye.